Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team official channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get free articles that is completely unique content, and you can exactly post it to the Blogspot website or any website that is completely free, and it is a very unique ideas and unique content. So now let's get started. The first, we're gonna go to copy AI here, copy AI, search that keyword on this one here. And you can see the link or the URL to that website called Copy AI's Marketing Copy in second. And now click on that. And when you are on this place, you will now go to Start. So at this time, you need to log into your account. If you don't have your account yet, please create it a new one. And now go to Login. I'm already created a new account now. And this time, we're gonna create a first draft wizard here. It is a beta version. So click on that. And this is the topic that you really want to talk about. So what are you going to talk about to your Blogspot website or to your any website? So you should give a topic one of them. So now I'm gonna say how to make money online, like that. How to make money online. It is an example, but you can try it yourself. And this is the keyword that you should put it at least 3 of them. Make money, okay. Make money online for free. And here is the tones, it means the microphones of talks. Now go to click on generate on outline here and wait for a few seconds for waiting to generating, and you will be get freeze all articles. And here is the article that you want to choose, just one of them, so you can choose one. For example, this one, and now I'm going to click on generate talking point. So click again on generate talk point, and this time we're going to change generate again to the content. So click on generate the content, and finally you will find the result that article is completely free and you can use for everywhere to post on Blogspot website or any WordPress website. That's completely free. And now you can see here this article is completely free and it helps a lot of steps. Earns referral bonus for signing up popular apps and services. This is the topic 1, topic 2, and topic 3, and it means you get all of this article to post it inside your Blogspot website. So I hope you guys understand about it and you will be do it at home. So don't hesitate. It's waiting for you to create a unique content. So thank you. Lots of ideas here, so you can now have an idea to posting on your website that are completely an English version, just like that. It is an idea for you that completely auto-generated topic about making money online. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial.